the sun.
Yo guys, I got another video for y'all. So today I'm going to take you through a handstand routine. Now, the reason why I decided to take y'all through a handstand routine is because the handstand and practicing the handstand is what really helped build my strength up. And since a lot of people are unfamiliar with these, with training for a handstand and like some of the movements and stuff, I say it really blow your strength up. It's what helped me in my handstand, and not just necessarily because my handstand. Like I said, it helped my strength. Period. Overall, like for instance, like with weights are great. I use weights, but with weights, let me just show you real quick. With weights, I'll say if I'm doing a bicep curl, I'm specifically hitting this one, my bicep. See, I'm specifically hitting my bicep, and of course, it's working other muscles too, but specifically the bicep. And like when you do like a lot of calisthenics movements, it's hitting more muscles. Like it's hitting just more than just one muscle. For like instance, if I'm doing a push-up, yes, I'm hitting my chest, but it's also hitting my shoulders, my triceps and stuff, and some core stability and everything. And like for instance, the handstand, what you need, your shoulder, your core, your everything. Really, you got your glutes, your everything. So it just helps your muscles work together. So I'm about to take y'all through this routine. We're gonna get into it. Now the first exercise we're gonna go through, I'm gonna take y'all on the wall over here. See? Now see, look, this is something, I remember I used to couldn't even do 10 of them. Because like I said, I didn't know them back then. And when I learned them and I used to practice them, they really blew my strength up. I said, what you do is you get on the wall. You get on the wall like that. And do as many as you can. I would say 12. So if you can do more, that's great. But like I said, a lot of people haven't done that before. So you can only do as many as you can. So do as many as you can of those, and that will help you get stronger, and it will help your handstand in general. All right, we're going to get into this next exercise, and let's do it. Something I forgot to mention, I'll say, something that helped my handstand tremendously, like really just got me up there, is get a tire. Now, you don't have to have a tire. You can have some bricks, you can have some books, or you can have some rocks or something. There's something you can get on, because I believe is, like for instance, if you're trying to learn something, I believe you should take it the next step. So like what I do is I take it the next step to come back to whatever I'm trying to do. Like for instance, like if I'm trying to learn how to sprint for 10 seconds full power straight, I'll try to sprint 15 seconds. You know what I'm saying? Not necessarily saying I'll do it, but I'm at least going to try, and then I'm going to get back to that 10. So get on here, do some handstand push-ups if you need to make it harder. Hit and hold. And like I said, what that do, that help you learn how to use your environment for exercising too, rather than, like I said, if you don't got the equipment, because I know everybody don't got the equipment. So guess what? Rocks, books, tire. I was blessed to have a tire, you know what I'm saying? So we're going to get into this next exercise. We're going to do this. All right, the next exercise what we're going to do is you get on the wall and you just stay there. You don't do any handstand push-ups or nothing. You just stay there. Now, I used to do this with the tire. I used to wake up early in the morning. Now, I didn't do it consistently, but I did it enough to get me better. And what I used to do is I used to just stay there on the wall. Once I tried to do it for an hour straight. I didn't do it for an hour straight, but I did it for quite a bit. And I sat there for quite a bit. So just stay there for a minute. Stay there for 2 minutes, however you do. We're going to do it for a minute for right now. And let's get into it. All right. So I did that for a minute, and I used to just stay there. I used to just stay there and just focus. And since you ain't pushing or nothing, then it's easier than the handstand push-up. So you can just go ahead and do it and crank it out. If you want to, you can kick your feet off the wall and try to handstand in balance. And that's a safe way to practice your handstand without actually falling. Know what I'm saying? So you do that, that'll get you in check. Like right now, the side of my shoulders, this stuff just burning because your handstand takes a lot of shoulder strength. You know what I'm saying? And that will be your shoulders just right. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get into the next exercise. See you then. All right, now the next exercise is actually doing the handstand. I'll say now when you're doing the handstand, the form of it, what you want to do is you want to be straight. And how you do that, when your hands are up here, you want to lock out your shoulders. You see your shoulders, you don't want to just get up like this. You want your shoulders to hyperextend like that. You actually just like that. And then what you want to do is you want your chest, you want to pull your chest back. And then you want to squeeze your glutes, because what happens is your glutes will arch out like that. You want to squeeze your glutes and your hips will go forward like that when you squeeze your glute. So you want to pull this back and you want to pull this in, you know what I'm saying? So you're keeping this straight. And then you're keeping your shoulders hyperextended like this. And then you want to point your toes. That's how you do it. Now, when you first start out with the handstand, it seemed harder to do that. But when you actually start getting better at the handstand, it actually, when you do it with perfect form, it actually make it easier than with sloppy form. You know what I'm saying? Because it's more physics than strength. The other one take more strength, and the proper way is more physics. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna demonstrate it real quick. All right. Yeah. Now, usually when I practice my handstands, I usually using the weights, working with the weights. And if you got some parallettes, that's beautiful. Use it. Next exercise is called pseudo planche push-ups. Now what it is all it is a push-up, but you lean it forward. And what they're good for is you can actually use these to work your planche. But what they're good for is they work your frontal delt right here. And when you working on your handstand, like I said, handstand take a lot of shoulder strength, so it helps build your shoulders. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna get down and demonstrate. All you're doing is a simple push-up, but you're leaning it as far as you can. Forward as far as you can. You go push it. Bam, like that. 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 You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, I say try to hit as much as you can. I say 12, but like I said, these can be kind of taxing also if you ain't used to the movement. But so do as many as you can. But if you can hit 12, hit 12. If you can hit a little bit more, I'll say go ahead and hit a little bit more. But yeah, simple like this. That's all you're doing. All right, y'all. That's the last exercise. These is what helped me build my handstand strength and everything. And like I said, handstand is core too. So make sure you work your core, but I was showing everything in your upper body that you can work that help. And what helped me get my handstand. And y'all keep training. Y'all stay consistent. Consistency is the most important thing. You know what I'm saying? Because when I was training my handstand, I was training it on and off, on and off. And when I finally stayed consistent with it, then I could finally do it. You know what I'm saying? And of course, I love y'all. Y'all stay tuned. I'll say follow me at Warrior at Heart 18 and subscribe. And we'll come out with more videos. I love y'all.